What if you had one device that smooths fine lines and wrinkles, leaving no irritation and no downtime? Does a gentle exfoliation, fades hyperpigmentation that you can use right over your lips as well as underneath your eyes, everywhere on the face. You can even use this on stretch marks. Yes, stretch marks. What device is this? It's my favorite new device. Stay tuned. That's coming up next. Welcome back. Christine Byer here, licensed esthetician for 23 years, and I'm here in my office, a very nondescript office. And on my channel, it's all about the skincare journey. You know, it's not one thing we do to our face, it's a whole combination of things we do to our face. Well, now I have a really interesting device that sort of fits in everywhere. It is called the Skin Wand Pro. This is a nano channeler. Now you may have heard of microneedling. This is more like nano needling, but it does not use a needle. It uses a silicone chip, and you'll see here how it works. There's a little tip that comes with these devices, and you work this into the skin in a circular motion, and it is penetrating product and making tiny, tiny channels to the tune of 0.15 millimeters, right? So if you think of microneedling, cosmetic microneedling is about 0.5 millimeters, so 1/2 of a millimeter. This is very, very tiny, 0.15. So you'll see here in this picture, it's just a little microchip. It's just a silicone microchip, and these blend themselves out after about 4 or 5 uses, and you just replace them. And they're very exacting and just do a great job of making those little micro channels so that your skincare ingredients can get to where they really need to be. This works great on pigmentation. So if you have just a spot, you can go over the spot. You could work in the bright in the day. Look, this is such a fun device to use. I've been having so much fun with it. It's so versatile, and to get that fresh out of the facialist studio look, this is the bomb. I mean, I just love the way it works. I've seen, like I said, people use this on stretch marks, and that makes sense to me that that would work on that as well. Just fascinating, fascinating science. We all know, like, for example, with sunspots and the melanogenesis process, when people get spots, melanin, right? The melanocytes are deeper into the skin. They're right at that dermal epidermal junction where dead tissue meets live tissue. And if we're using all these brightening products and they're just being pushed into the top of the skin, and we're not exfoliating or doing any of the stuff that we need to get those deeper, then they just don't work as well as they can. So this is a dream for hyperpigmentation, for melasma. It is going to get your active skin brighteners right where they need to be. And that goes for growth factors and stem cells and all the other good stuff that's out there, with the exception of retinoids. No vitamin A being pushed into the skin. So that's it. I am loving this device. I want you to check it out. It works great with the cavity. Oh my God, the PLLA in this device is a dream. But try it with lots of different serums. Hyaluronic serum, just beautiful, beautiful results. Anyway, if you have questions, just put them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye now.